Hey everyone, and welcome back to another game dev video. I know it's been over a month since my last upload, but there were just so many things getting in the way, and I had no time to work on any projects until these last couple of days. I've got a new project to show you, which I've been currently working on in Python and Pygame, as you can see, not in Godot this time. And before we get started, I just wanted to thank you guys for reaching past 50 subscribers. I didn't even think we would get close to that, especially with my uploading schedule, and we're already almost at 60 subs. Thank you guys again for all your support. I've basically been working on a Pygame TileMap Editor. If I go ahead and run the file, you will see that it asks us whether to create a new project or load an existing one. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new project. Tile size is just the dimensions of the tiles, so I'm going to type 32. The tile number is the number of tiles that I've got in my tile set. I'm going to put 9. These next two are just how many tiles I want horizontally and vertically in my tile map. I'm now going to go ahead and select the folder containing my tile set. And copy the path like so. And then I'm going to select the directory containing my tile map file like that, and as you can see, a Pygame window comes up containing the TileMap Editor. This is the first version of my TileMap Editor, so the features currently are quite limited, but for now you can place tiles with your left mouse button, you can delete tiles with your right mouse button, and you can switch between different tiles like so. You can save the tile map as well and move around the actual tile map. You can also turn the grid off, so you get a better idea of what your tile map actually looks like. This tile set wasn't designed by me. I downloaded it off itch.io from a person called Quintino Pixels, who is an extremely talented pixel artist, and you should definitely check out his other work. Now if I go ahead and close this window and go to the directory of my tile map file, you can see that the CSV file and the pickle file have been saved. So if I go ahead and load the project like so, you can see that the project has been loaded back in, and I can make any new changes as I want, and I can save them just like that. I want to shout out Coding with Ross for his TileMap tutorials in Pygame, as I wouldn't have been able to create my very own version of a Pygame TileMap editor. That's all for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think about my TileMap editor in the comments, as I would really appreciate any feedback. I want to implement so many other features like a fill function, but I'm still trying to figure out how to do it. I'm probably going to do more Python and Pygame projects purely to practice my Python skills for school, but I won't be quitting Godot completely. I also may go back to uploading clips of any new games I may be working on, because I won't have the time to record and edit videos when I return to school, but I still want to upload content to this channel. Thank you guys so much again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next one.